Hey guys, so the SEO heist has been a central theme to my channel for a while now. This video here, how to perform an SEO heist using ChatGPT, is still one of my more popular videos. And the idea stemmed from Jake Ward on Twitter, where he said that he pulled off an SEO heist that stole 3.6 million total traffic from a competitor. In a nutshell, what he did was he exported a competitor's sitemap, he turned their list of URLs into article titles, and he created 1,800 articles from those titles at scale using AI. And the theory goes, those 1,800 articles should be targeting the same keywords as your competitor's articles, and therefore if your competitor starts getting traffic, you should get a portion of that traffic as well. So it's a great way to stay neck and neck with your targeted competitors. Now, step 1 and step 2 is a manual process, and I thought that this could be done better. It's also a one-time process. How about future competitor articles? How are we going to get those? Do we have to run this same process over and over and over again? Well, I created a way to do this with AI and at scale. Let me show you how to do it. Here I am on youraiagent.com. And on this settings page, you're going to want to connect your website. So you can connect through Blogger, Ghost.org, Medium.com, Shopify, Webflow, WordPress.com, or WordPress.org, with some other platforms being added later. And for each of these connections, they have their own specific setup instructions. Now, I've gone through these a lot on my channel, so I'm going to skip this part in this video. We also have videos up here. Make sure you subscribe to a subscription before you start the SEO Heist agent because a subscription is required. But once all of this is set up, you're going to go to the home page. And one of our favorite agents, the SEO Heist agent, just got a major update. Let me click on this tab. First, you want to select your website from the drop-down box above. So it's going to be all of your connections that you have integrated within your settings. For example, let's choose my WordPress website. And now we need an RSS feed URL. So this is how we're going to get the sitemap of your competitor's articles, more specifically of your competitor's blog. To find valid RSS feeds, I like to use this website. You can input your exact competitor and it will scrape the web to see if it has an RSS feed, or you can put in some keywords. So let's say I was a sports website. I'm going to type in sports. And here we have a website, Wes the Sports Guy. Same name as me, it must be fate. So I'm going to copy this URL, paste it into the input box like this, and then click the test button. Now, if it's a valid feed, you're going to get a bunch of article titles. So this specific RSS feed is giving me the latest 10 articles. And I can go through each of these and I can deselect the ones that I don't want to steal. This one actually looks pretty good. I'm going to keep that. Let's say I don't want to steal this week 5 review of the NFL. I don't want to do NFL on my website. So let's deselect all the NFL articles. Now I'll keep the Super Bowl prediction, that sounds good. So what's going to happen is when this agent is started, it is actually going to go into this article, into this exact web page. It's going to scrape all of the data from that web page. And what we want to get is the article text itself. And then the AI agent is going to take that text, combine it with all of your settings that I'll show you down below, and then rewrite that article with a different but similar title and different but similar keywords, and then automatically post it to your website. Once the AI agent has gone through each of these articles, it is going to start checking every single day until you cancel the workflow. So it's going to run indefinitely. It's going to look for new articles on your competitor's website, and only if there is a new article, it's going to take that article, scrape the web page text, and rewrite it to post on your website. So you can run this SEO Heist agent indefinitely. It will be working around the clock 24/7 in the background to always make sure that you are neck and neck with your competitor. They never jump ahead in SEO traffic and you never fall behind. All right, let's continue on here. Let's say you didn't want to check every day. Instead, you wanted to check every week. You could type 7 in the interval right here. Do you want your articles to be published or sent to draft? I want to publish them right away. Now we have some writing preferences. What tone style do you want for the articles? Let's say professional, the target audience. I'm going to say sports fans. The language is going to be English. Do I want skinny paragraphs? So instead of blocks of text, you split them up into sentences. It follows a more modern blog format. I'm going to leave this unchecked. Now for the AI generated images, what style do you want? Let's say vintage style, and the color scheme, I'm going to go monochrome. Now for section links, do you want a hyperlink text within your article? They can be external, internal, or affiliate links. I'm going to leave this blank. Now for boilerplate text, this will show at the bottom of each article. If you want to leave your social links, a YouTube video, whatever, I give you a rich text input. This will be standard across all of the outputs. The hyperlink section finds the text in your articles and then changes it to hyperlinks. This is great for extra internal linking. I'm hard coding some text within the article. For this specific agent, I'm hard coding key takeaways. It gives you 3 takeaways from the article. So if you're writing in a different language or you want to call this something else, you can change the label. Let's say major talking points. And then we have categories and tags. This is pulled from your WordPress website. And if I click on this, I have video games right here. I know it doesn't really fit video games, but I'm just showing this as an example. And for tags, let's say it's Super Nintendo. But a bunch of them will come up if you have a lot on your website. And you can select the ones that are most relevant to this competitor. Okay, now I can click Start Agent. It takes you to the Workflows page where I can see all of my active workflows or all of my active agents. And I can click on the Info button to edit. So I see that there are currently 3 articles left to heist before processing new ones. All systems are operational. I can change any of my settings live while it's running. And I can also click into the past article link to see the result. So we have 2024 MLB Championship Series preview. We got an introduction paragraph. Here are the major talking points. Remember, I changed that from key takeaways. We have the first paragraph, which is about key players and predictions. And then the second paragraph, which is a battle of the bullpens and batting depth. If you want to start heisting your competitors' articles, I'll leave a link to youraiagent.com in the description below. If you're curious as to how I built this and you want to build your own AI agents, I've designed an online course called How to Build a Custom AI App. I'll leave a link to this in the description as well. And if you like this video, I put 2 more on the screen right now. Both have been catered to your personal YouTube watch history. Give one of them a click for me, give it a watch, and I'll see you in there. Peace.